Hey man, this is what I be talking about, dog. It's the very last day, the very, very last day. And it's a half day, right? So I'm over here, because I don't have anything else to do. I'm over here helping the seniors with graduation practice. I get a call from the assistant principal asking if this student needs to take a final for you. I'm like, we already had finals for first period. We had finals for first period last Friday. Yeah, he showed up, but he fell asleep. He went to sleep during the finals, so I just figured he ain't care about it. He ain't asked me any other day. He ain't come in on the makeup day. So he decided we get out of school at 12:45. He decides to ask me if he could take the final at 11:30. I'm like, bruh, come on, dog. Sometimes I just be wondering what goes through students' minds when they don't take exams seriously. But anyway, I'm just here cleaning out my desk, ready to go. I got trash under my desk, just ready to take out, just ready for all the students to be gone, so I can be out. Hey man, this is what the school looked like when you made it to the end. Lockers empty, lockers open. Ooh, the whole school just has a whole different feeling to it. It's like empty for some reason. It's just empty, like nobody's here. Like it's just lifeless. All right, so I thought I was being proactive, thought I was doing a good deed, thought I was doing my due diligence by putting the books on the bookshelf, but apparently not. Apparently they have to go in the closet. And that was from the librarian. She said it would be, these bookshelves are only meant to hold 200 pounds. Yeah, I guess all those books weigh more than 200 pounds. So the suggestion was to put them in the closet here. And as you can see, I already stuffed everything else in the closet. Yeah. These are like other assignments I'm gonna use next year, more assignments. Notebooks, free paper, when students need paper. More assignments divided into categories by subject and topic. So I got plenty of tissue paper. Yeah, Kleenex for your nose. More Kleenex. Let's see. These are all tests and exams I'll be using again next year. Assignments. This bookie here, I used to use all these canned foods when we was going over food labels and nutrition. Yeah. Extra notebooks and stuff. Documents. So yeah, I gotta put these books into this closet. Also, our printer has to go up. So you see there's no more room in this closet here. So the printer is gonna have to go in this closet. This closet over here. This one, actually I might put both the books and the printer in this one here. You see I don't use this one at all. You see students with snacks and stuff in there.
Good morning, faculty and staff. Happy Friday as well as last day of school for you all. Just want to make a quick announcement. We do have a staff meeting at 1:30 today. That's right after lunch, so we'll have a quick staff meeting at 1:30 today. Also, in reference to summer school, they will be utilizing every classroom on 200, 100, 900, 600, and 700. So be prepared. So go ahead and take any personal items down. They'll be utilizing your classroom again on 100, 200, 900, 600, 700 in their own gym. So please remove any items, personal items that you do not want destroyed. I ask that you remove those items down, prepare your classroom for them to utilize for summer school. And my CTE wing, they may utilize your classrooms for ingenuity. So please just make sure you have any personal items around. Please make sure you get that taken care of. Also, just a reminder, teachers, please do not touch infant campus. Again, teachers, please do not touch infant campus. We're in the process of finalizing grades. We're hoping to have report cards printed, so you may get called back down to stuff your envelopes for your report card. So please do not touch the Infinite Campus. We're in the stages of finalizing grades in Infinite Campus and posting to students' transcripts. I need the following teachers, so please report to the front office. Please report to the front office at this time. If you have any questions, have to speak with administration. will start signing people off at 11 o'clock. If you would need AC Jackson, I'll just come in at 1 and we'll start signing off at 11 o'clock. And admin is not taking lunch today, so we'll be signing off starting at 11 o'clock. Thank you.
All right, so I just heard they're going to be using our classrooms for summer school, so that's why we got to lock everything up. So I decided I'm gonna put those books over there in that closet. I'm gonna put my printer up in that closet. I'll leave the pencil sharpener out. That's all that's gonna be in here. Of course, I'm leaving everything up on my wall, so I don't have to decorate that next fall. Yeah, I'm basically done. Before the teachers can leave, we have to get these papers signed. It's a checklist or check sheet of stuff we gotta do. And of course, the assistant principals, the admin, the principals are gonna be the last ones. Loading up the books, loading up the books. You already know how we load up the books. Loading up the books, loading up the books. You already know how we load up the books. Sorry, guys. I forgot you guys were watching. I was just singing that song in my head. You know, don't you just love a good work song while you're just, you know, just working away? Just you're not even putting your mind on the work that you have to do. Not even thinking about the task at hand. You're just thinking about your song. Loading up the books. Loading up the books. You already know how we load up the books. Loading up the books, loading up the books. You already know how we load up the books. Yeah, I know. You don't have to tell me. That song is going platinum in the streets. Yep, certified platinum. Diamond maybe, but definitely platinum in the streets. This song will be copyrighted. It will be trademarked. It will be registered. So don't try to play it. Don't try to repeat it. I don't want to hear it in any other video. You will be sued. I will be taking you to court. I will be getting my lawyers because I'm loading up the books, loading up the books. You already know how we load up the books. Loading up the printer, loading up the printer. I have a car and it's not a Sprinter. Now back to your regular scheduled program. All right, so I got my books loaded up here in my closet. And I can tell I'm growing older, I'm maturing a little bit more because, yeah, the books are neatly in the closet. The old me would have just thrown them up in here and all over the place. And there's my printer. All right, so it looks like the custodians came in and cleared everything out. Right now, all I gotta do is tie them zip ties up. Yay, grab my laptop, and I'm out. School year is over with officially. Hey man, just checked out, get everything signed. Now I just gotta tie them zip ties and I'm out. Hey man, so everything is locked up. We're rocking and rolling to the 23-24 school year. We out. Game over. It's like the last episode.